A giant container ship's propeller can be as tall as a two-story building and weigh more than 100 tons. It is made of a special copper alloy to withstand the salt water, constant pressure, and billions of revolutions over the years. But the journey to making such a powerful propeller begins with molten metal, huge molds, and high-precision machines. Today we'll see how modern factories create one of the world's most powerful marine propulsion systems, which helps ships weighing hundreds of thousands of tons cross the ocean. So friends, before watching the full video, subscribe to our Mandarin Tube channel and stay with us. The journey to making a marine propeller begins with computer simulations. By analyzing the ship's weight, engine power, desired speed, and the ocean environment, engineers design a blade that can ensure maximum thrust and minimum fuel consumption. Because even a few % increase in propeller efficiency can save a shipping company millions of dollars in fuel costs per year. Once the design is finalized, a giant mold is made using heat-resistant sand and special resin. Then, an alloy rich in copper, aluminum, and nickel is melted at temperatures of more than 2,000 degrees Fahrenheit and poured into the mold. The temperature, flow rate, and pressure are constantly monitored during the casting process, because even a small amount of air can create invisible weaknesses inside the propeller. After the metal has cooled slowly, the giant sand mold is broken open to remove the casting. But it is still just a raw metal structure. Then begins the many days of grinding, machining, and polishing. High-powered grinders remove excess metal, and 3D laser scanners check the curvature, twist angle, and thickness of each blade against the design. Because even a few millimeters of error can cause instability in the water flow and increase fuel consumption. Finally, the surface is made extremely smooth through multiple stages of polishing, which reduces friction with the seawater. After a long process of casting, machining, and fine-tuning, a massive block of alloy is transformed into a propeller that can operate at sea for years. A massive marine propeller requires enormous power to turn, and that power is transferred from the engine to the propeller by the marine crankshaft. It is one of the most stressed parts of the engine. So instead of the usual welding, it is made by forging, which further strengthens the internal structure of the metal. The metal, heated to high temperatures, is first shaped by a huge hydraulic press. Thousands of tons of pressure compress the metal to form the basic structure of the crankshaft. It then undergoes heat treatment, where a special induction system makes certain parts of the metal extremely hard and wear-resistant. In the next step, the CNC machine cuts the journals and other important parts with extremely fine precision. The surface is then smoothed by grinding, which reduces friction with the bearings. At the final stage of production, magnetic particle inspection detects tiny cracks, and dynamic balancing ensures that the crankshaft can operate stably without vibration, even at high speeds. A marine propeller is made by combining complex hydrodynamic simulations, huge sand molds, tons of molten alloy, and days of machining. Every bend, every angle, and every millimeter has a direct impact on the ship's speed, vibration, and fuel consumption. And that propeller is powered by a massive marine crankshaft, which effectively converts the engine's power into thrust. Although almost invisible underwater, these two engineering marvels are one of the mainstays of modern maritime transport. These extraordinary technologies work silently behind the movement of billions of tons of goods from one end of the world to the other.